Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the 6 F notes on formula rearrangement. Okay? So at the end of this, you should be able to solve a real-world formula for a given variable. So let's show you what we're talking about. We're going to take a look at example 17 from page 180, and it says make y the subject of 2x plus 3y equals 8. So make y the subject of is secret terminology for this. All just means solve for y. Alright, that's what they're really trying to say. So we're going to take 2x plus 3y equals 8, and we're going to get y all by itself. So we just want to isolate y. So we want to get rid of the 2x. So to get rid of the 2x, you have a positive 2x. So to get rid of that, we subtract 2x from both sides. And over here the 2x goes away and we have 3y. And then over here we have, you can write it as 8 minus 2x if you want, or you can write 2x minus 8 either way. Oh, sorry, negative 2x plus 8. You could write it that way too. Alright, so to get y by itself, we have to divide both sides by 3. And you just get y equals, and you know, we really can just leave it as 8 minus 2x over 3. That's, we have solved for y. We've made y the subject of the equation there. So really, that's all you need to do. If it just so happened that maybe instead of, if this was a 3, instead that was a 2, then if you look at all those factors, you could divide all those by 2. If you can simplify, you probably should. But this one didn't simplify, so we just left it. Alright? Let's take a look at another example just to make sure we got it down, and then off you go. Alright, so let's take a look at example 19 from page 181. It says make x the subject of c equals m over x. Excuse me. So we want to get x is on the bottom, we want to get x on the top. So a couple ways you can do this. I'm gonna go with this. If I want to basically want to get the x out of the denominator. I want the x to be in the numerator somewhere. So I know if I multiply everything by x, then these x's will cancel out and my x will be out of the numerator. So you can do x times c, so we got cx equals, and then these x's cancel, so you just get cx equals m. And then since we're trying to get x by itself, we divide both sides by c, and we get x equals m over c. Okay. Or you could have this, c equals m over x. Since you only have one fraction, like you don't have a fraction plus another fraction or plus a whole number or something like that, if you just have like one term on each side of the equation, you can cross multiply. So you can put c over 1, and then you could do this, c times x equals 1 times m, which is m, and then divided by c, just like we did over there, and we get x equals, whoa, that was not pretty. So x equals m over c. Either way would be just fine. Okay? That's all there is for 6F. So now you should be able to solve real-world formula for a given variable. And these are all formulas that you can use somewhere out in science and other places. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.